Here, we will discuss how to measure and wear the Lumbo Support Uni. The product comes in universal and special size. Measure the circumference around the waist immediately below the navel. Then, refer to the chart printed on the box of the product. Now, let us see how to wear the Lumbo Support Uni. Disengage the Velcro straps to make the product ready to use. The belt is wrapped around the waist, keeping it upright and in correct position. The back panel is placed in the lumbar region, with lower end going down 2 to 2.5 inches of the hip region. Fasten the strap to a comfortable compression. Now, let us see how to remove the Lumbo Support Uni. The product can be easily removed by unfastening the Velcro straps. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.